If you're facing cloud sync issues in Descript, yeah, your project's not syncing can be really stressful. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to get everything syncing again. First, check your internet connection because Descript relies on cloud syncing, and a weak connection can cause delays or failures. Next, log out and log back in. Yeah, this refreshes your account connection with the cloud. Now check if your project is actually syncing. Sometimes changes are still uploading in the background. Try restarting Descript. Yeah, this can fix temporary sync glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version. Updates often fix cloud sync bugs and improve stability. Finally, check your storage and plan. Yeah, limited storage or account restrictions can affect syncing. And that's it. These steps should fix most cloud sync issues in Descript. If this helped, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.